An automatic door looks simple from the outside, but inside it is a coordinated system of sensors, controls, and mechanical parts. The process begins when a person approaches the entrance. A motion sensor, infrared detector, microwave radar, or pressure mat detects the presence of movement or weight near the door. The sensor sends an electrical signal to a control unit, which acts like the door's brain. The control unit checks the signal and decides whether the door should open. If the signal is valid, it activates an electric motor or actuator connected to the door mechanism. In many sliding doors, the motor turns a belt or chain that moves the door panel sideways. In swing doors, the motor pushes or pulls the door arm to rotate the panel open. At the same time, safety sensors keep the doorway protected. These sensors can detect obstacles, including a person standing in the path of the door. If something is blocking movement, the control unit stops or reverses the door to prevent injury or damage. The door usually opens only as long as needed. After the person passes through, the sensor no longer detects motion, and a timer tells the control unit to close the door. The motor then returns the door to its closed position, often with a controlled speed so the movement is smooth and quiet. Power is usually supplied by electricity from the building, though some systems include backup batteries for emergencies or outages. The control unit may also adjust sensitivity, opening speed, and closing delay depending on the location and traffic level. So the automatic door works by combining detection, decision-making, motion, and safety. A small signal from a sensor triggers a chain of mechanical actions, allowing people to enter and exit without touching the door.